Alright, have you ever looked at your Amazon product listing and thought, there has to be a better way to promote this? If you're an Amazon seller, KDP author, affiliate marketer, or digital creator, you're not alone. Creating a great product is only the first step. The real challenge is getting more people to discover it, understand its value, and ultimately click that buy button. That's where Digital Profit Stack AI comes in. Imagine taking a single Amazon product listing and transforming it into an AI-powered promotion hub that generates fresh marketing ideas, optimized copy, social content, emails, portfolio pages, and more, all from one centralized platform that you own. Unlike many cloud-based tools that lock you into monthly subscriptions, Digital Profit Stack AI is a self-hosted WordPress platform. You install it on your own website, connect your preferred AI API, and you're ready to build a powerful marketing system under your own brand. So, how does it work? The first step is incredibly simple. Import your Amazon product listing into Digital Profit Stack AI. Instead of copying and pasting product information into multiple documents or marketing tools, the platform brings everything together in one organized dashboard. Your product title, description, features, and other important details become the foundation for everything that follows. Next, the AI analyzes your product to uncover valuable insights. It identifies your ideal audience, highlights your product's strongest selling points, suggests better positioning, and even reveals potential marketing angles you may have overlooked. Instead of guessing what customers care about, you receive AI-powered recommendations that help you communicate your product's value more effectively. Once your product intelligence is ready, it's time to improve your listing. Digital Profit Stack AI helps you rewrite product titles, optimize descriptions, improve bullet points, enhance FAQs, and strengthen your overall messaging. A clearer, more persuasive listing can make a significant difference when shoppers compare similar products on Amazon. But that's only the beginning. One of the biggest challenges for Amazon sellers is consistently creating promotional content. After publishing a listing, many products receive only a few social media posts before being forgotten. Digital Profit Stack AI changes that by turning one product into an entire library of marketing assets. Need engaging Facebook posts? Done. Instagram captions? Easy. Email campaigns? Generated. Pinterest pin ideas? Ready to use. Bridge page content? Covered. Launch announcements, follow-up emails, promotional scripts, bonus ideas, and relaunch campaigns can all be created from the same product data. Instead of constantly starting from scratch, you simply build on the intelligence already generated by the platform. Another impressive feature is the built-in portfolio website. Digital Profit Stack AI lets you showcase your Amazon products alongside your other digital offers on your own WordPress website. Visitors can browse your products in a professional-looking portfolio before being directed to your Amazon listing or any destination you choose. This gives your products an additional online presence beyond the Amazon marketplace itself. If you're managing multiple products, the benefits become even greater. Rather than juggling spreadsheets, notes, AI chats, and scattered marketing documents, everything lives inside one organized system. Whether you're promoting books, digital downloads, affiliate products, templates, or services, you can manage your entire promotion workflow from a single dashboard. Perhaps the biggest advantage is ownership. You control your website, you control your content, you choose your AI provider. And because the platform runs on your own hosting, you're building an asset that belongs to you instead of relying entirely on someone else's SaaS platform. Of course, it's important to remember that the quality of your results depends on the information you provide and the AI model you connect. Digital Profit Stack AI is designed to speed up your workflow, generate ideas, and help you create marketing materials faster, while still allowing you to review and refine everything before publishing. If you've been looking for a smarter way to turn an ordinary Amazon product listing into a complete AI-powered promotion hub, Digital Profit Stack AI is definitely worth exploring. It combines organization, AI-driven insights, listing optimization, content generation, and portfolio publishing into one powerful self-hosted solution. Alright, that's it from me today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest videos about AI tools, digital marketing, and online business growth. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.